Number 4 is, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary, length of the boundary, in inches of a rectangle with a length of 4 inches and a width of 9 inches. So if we draw a rectangle like whose length is 4 inches, let's say that's it, and whose width is 9 inches. So if I just complete this rectangle, this one will be 4 and this one will be 9. This one will be 9 and this one will be 4. So perimeter is actually the whole length of the whole boundary, length of all the sides. So that means 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4. So 18 plus 8. So that is 26. Sum of that is 26. I have added these two first and these two first, but that's okay, whatever way you take. Either way, sum is going to be 26. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 26 and D is the right option. Question number 5. 7m is equal to 2 in parenthesis n plus p. The given equation relates the positive number m with n and p. Yes, here m is related to n and p. What equation correctly gives m in terms of n and p? Okay, m in terms of n and p. That means we need m is equal to whatever the whole thing is. So here we need only m. And in our question, this is 7m is equal to 2 n plus p. So now if I divide by 7 on both sides, so I can do it like this, or I can divide this whole thing with 7. Both are okay. So I'm going to get m is equal to 2 n plus p by 7. So yes, 2 n plus p by 7, that is the correct option. Here in option B, 7 is not at all here, right? It's never on, neither on the left hand side nor on the right hand side, so it's not the right option. In C, if 7 is multiplied with m, right, so we have to divide it on both sides to get m on the left hand side. Here it is subtracted, so it's not the right option. And here definitely this one is again neither option. It is not at all related to any of the calculations. So A is the right option.